This is Eric Hammer, the man with the hat. Here you go. So, this is not going to be a very long video. Basically, what I wanted to do was to just give you a brief introduction to what it is that I'm trying to do here and to kind of help out with people who are newer to this industry than I am. A little bit of background about myself. I have been working in the online world for about 10 years now. I started out doing content writing and copywriting, and then got into building websites. That's my other business. And so I've learned a lot about traffic generation, about building, a following and doing the kind of things that you need to do for keyword research, stuff like that. And I got started in this thing because I was buying a lot of products. I realized I was working with affiliates, people who would sell on behalf of somebody else. And I said, well, you know what? Some of the products I'm buying are real crap, and I want to be able to tell people about them. And so I started this channel and my website. It's ericmhammer.com. If you're not familiar with it, I'll leave a link down below this video. You can take a look to teach people about the right products and the wrong products, and to really try to give honest reviews. And what I wanted to do here was basically just give you a brief overview of how this works. What exactly does it mean when I say that I do affiliate marketing, and how you could get into affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing, basically what that means is that you don't own a product. You don't even really promote a product that you claim to own. It's not the same as drop shipping. Drop shipping basically is similar, but not quite the same. Basically, when you're doing affiliate marketing, your one goal is to get people to click on a link and to purchase a product. And once they purchase the product, you get a commission on it. So that's basically what you're doing when you're doing affiliate marketing, is getting people to click a link, and once they make a purchase, you get a commission. Now, there's a lot of different ways of doing this. You can also do what's called cost per action, CPA. CPA is great because you don't have to get people to purchase anything. You can actually get people to simply sign up for free information. They have to provide their email address, or they have to provide, their phone number or whatever it is for something, and they get something for free, and you get paid for it. And there's dozens of websites available that you can go to in order to make this happen. What I personally do is affiliate marketing, but there's a lot of CPA offers as well. And I'm going to do another video specifically talking about CPA offers at a different time, just so you have an idea of what's out there, what you can put together, what you can do. But basically, the way this works is like this. I should say almost. I would say probably about 75% of the people who make a purchase online of any item whatsoever, in one way or another, they are actually working with an affiliate. Even if you purchase, like, say, on eBay or Amazon.com, and you go directly to eBay or Amazon.com, you don't go through somebody's link. You go directly to eBay or Amazon.com. Technically, eBay and Amazon.com, in most cases, they are also affiliates. If eBay almost exclusively is an affiliate, and Amazon.com is mostly affiliates. And what I mean by that is, when you look at Amazon.com, if it doesn't say sold by Amazon.com, it simply says fulfilled by Amazon.com, or even if it's not fulfilled by Amazon.com, if it doesn't say sold by Amazon.com, that means that Amazon is actually acting as an affiliate for somebody else. What they're doing is they're saying to somebody else, you have a product that you want to sell, whatever it is, and it could be anything under the sun. And Amazon.com is saying to this person, okay, you know what? You have a product you want to sell. We can provide traffic. Traffic basically means people visiting your offer. We can provide traffic. We're going to take a cut of whatever it is that you make from selling this thing. And Amazon is basically acting as an affiliate. eBay is the same way. eBay, basically what they're saying is, we have a lot of traffic coming to our website. We have millions upon millions of people visiting our website. And what we're going to do is we're going to let you advertise your product on our website, and we are going to take a cut of your money. Simple. That they're acting as an affiliate. Now, obviously, you're not Amazon, you're not eBay, you're not even somebody who makes millions of dollars doing this. There are people making millions of dollars doing this. Most people make a lot less, obviously. A lot of people don't make any money at all. And so I want to discuss with you briefly um, how to how I think it is to be successful in affiliate marketing, just as a beginner, as somebody who doesn't know anything about this. Okay, now the most important thing to remember when doing affiliate marketing is that, and this is something I learned from one of my mentors, John Chow. I'm a big fan of his. You make money on the sale after the sale. So what exactly does that mean? Make money on the sale after the sale. Okay, so you could, for example, go to clickbank.com. It's one of the biggest affiliate marketing services there is. Find a product that you like, put it up for sale, review it and drive traffic to that offer and say, hey, go ahead and buy this. I think it's a great product. And you hope that you're able to get together enough people buying the thing in order to make some money from it. And that's basically affiliate marketing in a nutshell. That's what most people teach you to do. Now, the catch is, and very often they'll give you 50%, even 100% commission on that money. Now, why would they give you 100% commission? It doesn't make any sense. They're not making any money off of it. The reason is because they're making money on the sale after the sale. Okay, so what you're doing is you're going to work hard to drive traffic to get people to go and visit that product and purchase that product. They're going to buy the thing from you, from the other person, and yeah, you'll get your 100% commission. You'll get your $15, $20, whatever it is, commission. And you probably worked your butt off to get that $15, $20 commission. In the meantime, the guy who sold it now has something super valuable. They have contact information, an email address, sometimes a phone number, a name of somebody that they know for sure is somebody that is a buyer. They know for sure this is somebody who actually is willing to open up their wallet and say, hey, I'm willing to take out my credit card and make a payment in order to purchase something. That is incredibly valuable because now that person who gave you 100% commission on the first product is now going to turn around and say, hey, okay, I got my 100% commission on this product. And okay, I lost the money. I didn't make any money by letting you have the 100% commission. But now I can go and start selling this guy other stuff. I can keep sending email after email after email to this person saying, hey, you bought this product from me. Here's another product you might be interested in. And I know for sure this is a buyer because this is somebody who actually bought something from me. That's incredibly valuable. So as John Chow says, you make money on the sale after the sale. Basically what you're doing is, what these people are doing is they're going to go ahead and get you to drive the traffic to them. Once you've done that, they're going to say, okay, hey, you know what? That's great. I went and I drove traffic to these guys. I got the sale. I made my $20. These guys are going to make hundreds of dollars off of that same person, because once you've driven the traffic to them, that's it. There, you're done. You get nothing else, And for months, years, even afterwards, these guys are going to be able to sell to them. So, what can you do? Now, this doesn't work with every kind of affiliate offer. It does work with the kind that I do. I mostly work on JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus in the make money online niche, which is a very tough niche, but this is how I do it. Basically, what I do is I create what's called a bridge page. So that means that, first of all, I don't direct people directly to my affiliate offer. You'll never ever see me put a link and it goes directly to affiliate offer. Basically, what's going to happen is the link I'm going to put down for you is going to go to my personal website, ericmhammer.com. And you're going to see I'm going to have a review there. And then there's going to be a link that says, click here to get this product, whatever it is. Okay, and you'll have multiple buttons available to click on. And I'll create these buttons and I'm going to put them in. And when you click on it, it does not go directly to my affiliate offer. Instead, what it does is it goes to another page on my website. The page on my website will basically say, get whatever it is here. For example, I just did last night automation bundle, which is, by the way, an incredible product. So if you haven't looked at my review yet, I strongly recommend you do it because it's only available for a week, and it's an amazing product. Okay, seriously, an amazing product. Okay, but anyway, I digress. But basically, what I do is it says get automation bundle here. I have a picture of the product available, and I have a sign up form. Basically, all you have to do is put in your email address. Once you put in your email address, then it takes you over to automation bundle to actually make the purchase of the product. Why do I do that? Because this way I'm capturing an email address of somebody that I know is interested in buying a product. I can then turn around and contact that person and say, hey, I see you purchased this product. Here's another product you might be interested in. And now, instead of simply driving the traffic and getting my $15 or $20 once, I now have a buyer lead that I can sell to for months or years to come. It creates an asset for me. And that's a super, super important lesson to learn that so many people do not learn in affiliate marketing. You absolutely, positively, no matter what you do, you have to put together a list of your own. If you're not putting together a list of your own, if all you're doing is driving traffic to an affiliate offer, you are never, ever going to make any money in this business. I don't care what it is you do. If you do cost per action, if you do affiliate marketing, whatever it is that you do, if you don't capture the leads and keep working on it on your own and keep building up trust with your own customers, you're never going to make any money. It's just as simple as that. Okay, it's really, really tough to keep pushing new leads. I used to work for a while. I actually quit working online because I found it really, really hard. Sorry, that's the dog next door. I found it really, really hard to work online for a while, and so I quit doing it, and I started working in sales, and I worked for a moving company. And I was actually one of the best in the office. I was actually beating everybody's records. But you know what? I hated doing it because I was reinventing the wheel constantly. People move because I worked in long distance moves. People move from state to state. So how often does somebody move? First of all, once every 5 years, once every 10 years, whatever it is. Most people don't move every single year. And even if they do, when you work in state to state moving, people would move, say, from New York to Salt Lake City. Okay, so let's say somebody moved from New York to Salt Lake City, and then that person went and contacted me from Salt Lake City to say, hey, Eric, I'm interested in moving again from Salt Lake City to, say, Denver. Now, the issue was that I worked for a company in New York. I didn't work for a company in Salt Lake City, and we didn't really have facilities to be able to move somebody from Salt Lake City to Denver. So we might sometimes work out some sort of a deal with somebody local in Salt Lake City and say, well, hey, we're going to take a commission on it. But honestly, it was very rare that could happen. And more often than not, I was basically every single time I had to reinvent the wheel. I would say, I would work hard to build up a lead, to build up confidence in a customer. And then after I built up confidence with the customer, they moved, and that was the end of that. I had to start all over again. And I hated doing that because it was a lot of work. So the nice thing with affiliate marketing is that if you do it right, if you capture the lead, if you can put together your own list and capture that information for yourself, and keep pounding at it and keep working at it and keep getting the information every single time you create a sale, you then build up an asset of your own, and you can sell to the same exact people for months and even years to come. There's thousands of products that are being released all the time. And a lot of these people that you're going to sell to are going to be people who they're going to come back and buy again and again and again and again and again and again. And that's how you make money in this industry. You don't make money from the first sale. You make money on the sale after the sale. That is the single most important lesson there is to learn. That's why I'm calling this video Affiliate Marketing for Dummies, because frankly, you don't make money on the first sale. You make money on the sale after the sale. And if I teach you nothing else, then this is probably the most important lesson to learn. You must find a way to relate to the people that are purchasing from you. Don't just send it to an affiliate offer. Find some way of capturing that lead, whether it's you ask them to subscribe to your YouTube channel, you ask them to do something else, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Make sure that you capture the lead, because if you do that, then you're going to be making a lot of money. If you don't, then you're going to be working your ass off like I did in the moving industry and constantly reinventing the wheel, and you're going to get burnt out and you're going to say, forget it, this just doesn't work. That's it for now, and good luck, and feel free to go and comment in the chat, in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please smash that subscribe button. Go and hit the bell so you get notifications. I upload fresh content every single day. And you can see I do a lot of free content here on this channel. I'm not just here to sell you stuff. I'm here to help you out as much as I can with all the information that I can provide you with in order to make sure that you are able to be a success as well. Thanks, and have a great weekend.